Okay, this is a video of how to set up the cable management CMAPS 818 system to an existing granulator. Today we have a cable management 1624 granulator, 40 horsepower, and we want to help the vacuum system because we are restricting it with a CMTM 150 turbo mill. So this air blast system will send a burst of air through the exit tray at an interval that you will set. First thing we're going to do is hook up the hose to the tray. So we've got a cap, and I don't know if I can see down here, but basically get a shot of it. End result is the cap's on there, and then we've got a 1/4 screw that you'll tighten to keep it from kicking back off. Next thing would be to hook up your air supply. Once you're ready to run, you'll be opening the valve to send air to the unit. And then we've got an air regulator, which we will be setting at 40 psi. Also, we've got a drain valve to drain any water condensation that builds up. And on the other side of the unit, we have a solenoid that will let the air into the unit at an interval. Next thing we have is our timing control board hooked up here. You will decide where to mount this, wherever works best for you. And then we've provided just a 120 volt connection to plug it into the wall. Then the last thing is there's a whip here, about 10 feet of cord. You'll tie into the granulator control box with the provided cord cap. And then this unit here is an auxiliary contact block that will go onto the existing GE contact in the control box. You will stack these and screw it through these holes right here to work in unison with the other one, and then tie these wires in as I have them mocked up here to show that they go to these two bottom terminals. When the granulator is running, it'll allow this unit to run. We'll plug the power in now to the unit. Just a regular 120 volts. And you'll see that I can turn the power on, but nothing happens until the granulator itself is activated. Once the granulator is activated, it allows your board to be activated. You want to hold that. And as you can hear, air pulsing from this unit into the tray is being controlled by this board. And we have two controls. One is and they're labeled off and on. And what that means is how long do we want it to be off for and how long do we want it to be on. By turning my on up, it would make a much longer pulse. So let's hear the next one. See how long that was? But that's just wasting output time. So basically, the way we've been testing it, I believe with this on dial all the way down is plenty of air. And now your off time, you can adjust in the field as well. So if we turn it down too far, it doesn't give it enough time to accumulate air, but we can get it up to about 3-4 seconds in between. I like to keep it right around here, right around the 10-second range. Okay, that is the cable management CMAPS 818 installation guide.